So today, I got my grails. I'm so excited. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I'm Mr. KiNa, that's the channel name. Today we're going to be unboxing the Nike Air Jordan 6 Infrareds OG Retro 2019s. Hi, good on people. I'm Mr. KiNa. This is another episode of KiNa Kicks. Please like and subscribe my channel, comment if you like, if you've got any thoughts. Today I got my grails, and if you're a sneakerhead then you'll know exactly how much that means to somebody. Now, I've waited 28 years to finally get my hands on my very own Nike Air Jordan 6 Retro. Wow, this is unbelievable for me, you've got to understand this. 28 years I've waited. These came out when I was at school in 1991. I've waited for these for that long. Unbelievable. So, you know, you've got the standard Nike Air Jordan box with a cement pattern, you know, as standard. Like I said, these came out in 1991. These were Jordan's 6th signature shoe. Michael Jordan wore these during his first NBA championship. So, you know, they're a standout Jordan model. Yeah, he won his first championship. They debuted in 1991. They were designed by Tinker Hatfield. They're highly valued by sneakerheads, in the sneaker community, and Jordan fans alike. So I'm going to have my first look at these right now. Here we've got the Nike number stamp, the quality control sticker. Wow, unbelievable. Look at these. These are fire. Wow, unbelievable. Check this bad boy out. This is unreal. Absolutely beautiful. Well, as you can see, let's just take the other one out. We've got the upper made of nubuck or Durabuck, as let's call it. We've got the icy sole there, the black, the infrared Jordan logo, the Jordan patch. As you can see there, the lace lock has the Jordan logo on it, and then on this pair, on the other side, you've got the Nike logo, which is true to the original ones in 1991, not like the 2000s or the 2014s. And with this pair, they've gone back to being exactly how they were in 91, and they've gone with the Nike Air branding on the back. Also, little known Jordan fact about these is in the upper here you see the 2 and the 3 mixed into the pattern of the sneaker, which is great. These are just amazing. I'm blown away. I've waited so long for these, so long. I'm going to do some on-foot shots and let you have a little look at them. But I'm absolutely made up by this trainer. This is absolutely beautiful. I love the icy sole. They smell great too. I don't know. These are just fabulous. Also, on the inside parts here, you've got where the holes in the breathable material is. You've got 3M hits all inside of there. I'll show you, I'll put up a photo of, you know, showing you the 3M. And yeah, that's the early release of Jordan 6 Infrared Retro OG 2019s. I'm made up. I cannot wait to get these on my feet. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of some of the little features on these so you can have a closer look for camera. These joints are straight fire, look at them. There's the 3M. There's that icy translucent sole on the Jordan 6. These are red. Everybody was going on about, you know, some are pink in the 2014s or the 2000s, whichever they were. Let's just show you the insides. There you can see the infrared insole, the Nike size guide, and let's just show you the Jordan tab, the patch, and that Nike lace lock and the Jordan. And there's the heel spoiler, the heel tab. This was actually, the idea for this came from a Porsche, and Tinker took that and used it for design effect on this shoe. But there, as you see, as we're back to the OG, there is the Nike Air. They've got a PU molded sock liner. There's the Durabook. And yes, all in all, today was a good day. These joints are the business, they're straight fire. I can't wait to get them on feet. Take a look at some of the little shots I'm going to do afterwards. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm Mr. KiNa. It's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.